Hello students, in the session of cell division, today's topic is meiosis cell division. Before I start the meiosis cell division, once again we recap or give the importance of the cell division. Cell division where parental cell divide into two or more daughter cell, and each division start from the pre-existing cells where unicellular organism divide for the increase their number or increase their population. But in multicellular organism, cell division is used for growth, development and repair of the organism. All cell division are controlled by the DNA. Let's start today's topic. Today's topic is the meiosis cell division. Meiosis cell division occurs in germ cell of all living organisms. During meiosis, genetic material of a diploid germ cell, diploid means pair chromosome, undergo two nuclear division and resulting in to four haploid daughter cell. Haploid means unpaired chromosomes in daughter cell. Each daughter cell has one half of a number of chromosomes as the parental cell. There are two successive nuclear divisions in meiosis as compared to the one division found in the mitosis. Meiosis division completed in two different stages, meiosis 1 and second one is meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 also called as reductional division. Why? Because here the chromosome number will be half in comparative to their parental cell, and meiosis 2 also known as equential division, that means the chromosome number is not affected during this cell division. Before, as you know, before any type of cell division, cell first of all enter into the interphase where they are prepare itself for the cell division. In meiosis 1, it completed in four different stages, naming are prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1, and further meiosis 2 is also complete in the four different stages. These are the prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. It is very important thing regarding the meiosis. During meiosis, DNA replication once, but the nucleus divide twice. You can understand the meiosis through this flow chart. Here, diploid cell converted into haploid cell and fertilization. Here, one most important things regarding the meiosis, the production of haploid gametes. You can see the egg cell is the haploid and sperm is the haploid, so that fertilization restore the normal somatic chromosome in a cell or somatic chromosome number in a species to species. You can understand the meiosis with this diagram. You can see white chromosome in pair and red chromosome in pair, but in daughter cell both are in haploid in number. This is the identity of the meiosis cell division. That's all about the meiosis cell division. Thanks.